If you remember, I released the Aura Black version 6.1 a few weeks ago, and I also attached a custom set file to that Aura Black. Now, this expert advisor was seen as trash as to a lot of people. A lot of people saw it as trash EA because it wasn't making profits recently. So what we did was that we edited the trading parameters and attached a set file to this expert advisor. So you can see we are trading currently with that set file on gold, and we are up about $600 or about 6% on this EA on a demo account. Okay, so let's look at some of the things that we changed here. So on this expert advisor, we did just a few modifications. First of all, we started using a fixed lot size. So for a fixed lot here, we are currently using 0.1 for a $10,000 account. If you're using this expert advisor, you can decide to use maybe 0.05 or 0.02, okay, on a $10,000 account. And another thing we did here was that we disabled sell trades on this account. And I told you guys that from the 2024 data that we're currently seeing on gold, it is almost impossible to profit from sell trades, which was one of the reasons why this expert advisor was making a lot of losses. So we disabled sell trades. And another thing we did is that we disabled trailing stop as well. The trailing stop was eating into the profit of the expert advisor, so we disabled it, and we set the take profit and the stop loss to 1:1, which is at 275 points. So if you include trading costs to the stop loss, it's about 1:1. Okay, so you can see the rest of the settings here, which was what we did. This was the only thing that we did to this expert advisor, and you can see it's now profitable and it's now picking in profits. You can see the account history here, so you can see the profit here. We started on the 14th of August. Now, make no mistake, we actually made losses with this expert advisor. As you can see, we had losses here, but we also had profits as well. And as you can see, this expert advisor has turned out to be very profitable on the long run. And one of the reasons why I like this Aura Black is that it actually has a stop loss and a take profit. You can see here, the loss here was about $260 and the profit here is about 277, right? So the risk to reward is 1:1 if you include the trading commissions. And so far we're up about 6% on this expert advisor, which was seen as trash by a lot of people. So what am I saying here? Even though expert advisors are capable of automating certain tasks, the set files or the settings are what tells the expert advisor when to execute those tasks, how to execute those tasks, and where to execute those tasks in order to assure the highest probability of profitability, which is what we did with this expert advisor. So the next time I release an expert advisor along with a set file on Trading Kernel, make sure you look into it and you download it. And also, if you have any forex robots that you'd like us to optimize for you, please, you can visit our custom request form and submit a custom request order, and we are going to optimize the expert advisor for you. As long as the expert advisor meets certain criteria, then we could optimize it for you.